Hey everyone. Welcome to Power Brain TV. Subscribe for more videos and get faster notification of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Class 9I. T. Information Technology. Chapter 7 Green Skills. Questions and Answers. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. A. Mining results in erosion, formation of sinkholes and contamination of soil. B. UNEP stands for United Nations Environment Programme. C. Burning of plastics emits harmful gases. D. The word environment is derived from environ. E. Environment refers to abstract situations that prevail in the relevant surroundings. 2. Select the most suitable alternative. A. Which of the following are the advantages of green economy? I. Saving natural resources. E. Longevity in life. E. Peaceful coexistence of all animals. IV. All of these. Answer. IV. All of these. B. Which of the following does not help in conservation of natural resources? I. Using alternative source of energy. E. Wise use of water. E. Reuse elements and products. IV. Use of plastics. Answer. IV. Use of plastics. C. Which of the following rely on dead organic matter for their nutrition? I. Saprotrophs. E. Fishes. E. Plants. IV. None of these. Answer. I. Saprotrophs. D. Which of the following is an example of reuse? I. Buying new clothes. E. Discarding old clothes. E. Using old clothes of your elders. IV. None of these. Answer. E. Using old clothes of your elders. E. Which of the following is a green skill? I. Wastewater treatment. E. Energy conservation. E. Both. I. And E. IV. None of these. Answer. E. Both. I. And E. 3. Differentiate between A. Autotrophs and heterotrophs. Answer. I. Autotrophs. Autotrophs are entities that can produce their own food with the help of light, such as plants. They are also called producers. E. Heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are dependent on the autotrophs for their food, such as animals. They are also called consumers. B. Forestation and deforestation. Answer. I. Forestation. Forestation is growing existing forests or established forest growth on areas. E. Deforestation. Cutting down of trees has resulted in shrinking of forests, which has disturbed the natural habitat to a great extent. C. Renewable and non-renewable natural resources. Answer. I. Renewable resources. It includes the natural sources which can be reused or regenerated. Renewable resources are found from living things such as trees, and animals can be called as organic renewable resources. If renewable resources are found from non-living things, such as water, sun and wind, they can be called inorganic renewable resources. E. Non-renewable resources. It includes the resources which are limited and cannot be recycled or recreated easily, such as coal, oil, natural gas, and fossil fuels. Non-renewable resources can be called as inorganic resources if they are formed from non-living things. For example, minerals, land, soil and rocks. Some non-renewable resources are made up of living things such as fossil fuels. They can be called organic non-renewable resources. D. Biodegradable substances and non-biodegradable substances. Answer 1. Biodegradable substances. I. They are safe for the environment. E. These can be broken down into simpler substance. E. Can be easily disposed. IV. These are nature product. V. It is used to generate biogas. It is used as manure and compost. 2. Non-biodegradable substances. I. They are harmful for the environment. E. These cannot be broken down into simpler harmful substance. E. Cannot be easily disposed. IV. These are synthetic product. V. It can be used by recycling but the process is very expensive. 4. Write short notes on a ecosystem. Answer. Ecosystem can be defined as a component of the environment where all living beings have their habitat and are able to meet their requirements by utilizing the mechanism of demand and supply. It also consists of non-living components. The interactions between the living and non-living organism with their surrounding environment creates a balanced system. B. Green jobs. Answer. Green jobs are opportunities for employment in the sectors pertaining to green skills. Such jobs are related to employment in those industries that contribute to preserving environmental balance and fosters for sustainable development. Green jobs help to protect ecosystems, biodiversity and reduce energy consumption, materials and water consumption through highly efficient strategies. Green jobs can be in any sector, such as agriculture, manufacturing, research or other developmental activities, etc. C. Green consumer. Answer. A person who avoids environment degradation or destruction and chooses to purchase only the environment-friendly products is known as a green consumer. D. Natural resources. Answer. Natural resources are the useful raw materials which are found in nature. They occur naturally, they are available in the nature. Instead, we use and modify natural resources according to our requirements. E. Hazardous effects of use of plastic. Answer. It is harmful to the environment. It cannot be quickly degraded and damages the atmosphere if burnt. It can prevent seeping of water into the soil, reaching sunlight into water. The toxic chemical released during the production of plastic is another demerit. 5. Answer the following questions. A. What is the impact of industrialization? Answer. In the process of setting up industries and manufacturing various products, we are disrupting the ecological balance. While manufacturing, industrial waste, garbage, etc. are being dumped into soil or water. Dumping of wastes like e-waste, harmful chemicals, industrial effluents, packaging material, salts and other garbage deteriorates the quality of soil. B. Write the steps to conserve natural resources. Answer. The steps to conserve natural resources are: use water scarcely and wisely. Abandon use of plastic and plastic products. Plant more and more trees. Use alternative sources of energy. Reutilize the available waste resources. Recycle and reuse elements and products. Create awareness among the masses about the worth of natural resources. Use of natural resources should be limited to requirement. Implement government policies in order to safeguard our resources. C. Why are forests important for our environment? Answer. Forests play a critical role in maintaining the Earth's climate and environment. They absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen, which is vital for the survival of all living organisms. Forests also help in reducing the effects of global warming by acting as carbon sinks. D. Explain the importance of proper storage of food. Answer. Proper food storage can help prevent spoilage and extend the shelf life of food. Maintain food quality. Proper food storage can help maintain the quality of food, such as texture, flavor, and nutrients. For example, storing fruits and vegetables in a cool, dry place can help preserve their texture and flavor. E. Explain the factors causing imbalance in environment. Answer. The factors causing imbalance in environment are: I. Population. The increasing population has resulted in the increase in needs and demands. It is affecting our ecosystem, as Mother Nature has limited capacity to fulfill every living being's requirement. E. Deforestation. Cutting down of trees has resulted in shrinking of forests, which has disturbed the natural habitat to a great extent. E. Mining. The process of digging the earth for extraction of ores results into erosion, formation of sinkholes, and contamination of soils causes severe damage to the environment. IV. Pollution. It is the contamination of environment, land, air and water, due to the presence of some unwanted elements. I.e. Pollutants. Pollutants are harmful. Pollution can be in solid, liquid and gaseous form. V. Industrialization. In the process of setting up industries and manufacturing various products, we are disrupting the ecological balance. While manufacturing, industrial waste, garbage, etc. are being dumped into soil or water. F. What do you mean by 3 Rs? What is their significance? Answer. As the population is rapidly increasing and the world is moving towards mass industrialization, we are in the process of constantly producing and consuming various items of our need. This is also leading to generation of a huge amount of wastes. Such waste items possess a significant danger to the environment and that needs to be taken care of. One significant technique of modern waste management is the implementation of 3 Rs, i.e. reduce, reuse and recycle. G. What do you mean by green skills? Why are they important? Answer. Green skills can be defined as the set of specialized skills that are required for promoting green economy. Along with green skills, the ability of critical thinking and problem solving that are needed in many areas pertaining to management of environment-related aspects like waste and sewage water treatment, solid waste management, enhancement of renewable energy etc. They are important because for addressing environmental challenges, such as climate change, resource conservation, pollution reduction, and sustainable resource management. H. What is green economy? What is the importance of green economy? Answer. A person who avoids environment degradation or destruction and chooses to purchase only the environment-friendly products is known as a green consumer. The importance of green economy are: saving natural resources, better health condition of human beings, better natural tourist destinations, pollution-free environment, longevity in life, peaceful coexistence of all animals, abundance in natural healing and natural medicines, lessened chase and peaceful lifestyle, new type of employments that are close to nature. I. Explain 3 initiatives being taken in India for encouraging green economy. Answer. 3 initiatives being taken in India for encouraging green economy are: 1. Biotoilet, by Green Solution Foundation, GSF. The GSF has created a bio-toilet for those villages and slums which lack proper sewage systems. This toilet enables to break the excretory waste into environment-friendly water by using aerobic bacteria. This water can then be used for other purposes like irrigation, fertilizer making, etc. 2. Solid Waste Management, by Swatch Cooperative. Swatch Cooperative, based in Pune, consists of waste pickers as its members who are engaged in the doorstep collection of waste. In this project, efficient disposal of wet waste is done through biogas regeneration along with recycling of solid waste. 3. Modern Chala, by Society of Development and Environment Protection. The Society of Development and Environment Protection has developed an energy-efficient cooking stove or chala that uses biomass to reduce consumption of wood by 50%. This chala reduces smoke by 80%, reducing environmental and health problems. The project trains masons and welders to produce the chalas, thus increasing employment and entrepreneurship opportunities. J. What do you understand by biotic component of ecosystem? Explain its classifications. Answer. The living organisms i.e. plants, animals and humans constitute the biotic components of the ecosystem. Biotic components are further be classified into a. Autotrophs. Autotrophs are entities that can produce their own food with the help of light, such as plants. They are also called producers. B. Heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are dependent on the autotrophs for their food, such as animals. They are also called consumers. C. Saprotrophs. Saprotrophs are microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi that rely on the dead and decaying organic matter for their nutrition. They are also called decomposers. Thanks for watching with Power Brain TV. Please don't forget to subscribe.